Welcome to the explanatory video on coal stock management at Mahanadi Coalfields Limited. Coal as a primary source of energy caters about 55% of the energy demand of the country. A nationwide supply chain ensures timely and adequate supply of coal from pithead to power plants. However, sometimes due to lower demand and higher production of coal, there is a build-up of coal stock near coal mines. This happens especially during the last quarter of a financial year. The coal stock thus built up needs to be managed properly for future consumptions. The coal at MCL is extracted by the use of environment-friendly technologies like surface miner. Once the coal is cut by the surface miner at the face, the extracted coal is loaded and transported to railway sidings or a designated coal stockyard. At the coal stockyard, in the beginning, the coal is dumped by a tipper in a flat area designated for stockpiling of coal. During the dumping process, fog cannons are used simultaneously to control dust while parallelly increasing the wetness of the coal for better compaction. This provision of mist cloud in the process also reduces the ambient temperature as well as that of the coal material. Once coal is dumped, a dozer is used to lay the coal properly while performing the compaction. Due to its sheer weight, the coal underneath its track chain is crushed. This process of compaction is popularly known as chaining. As handling of coal is purely a mechanical process in which bulk materials are taken from one place to another, it is always ensured during the entire process that water mist is available for suppression of the airborne dust. Once the first layer of compacted coal bed is formed, subsequent dumping is done. As one can see clearly, another tipper has just dumped the coal over the primary bed which was formed from earlier compaction. The process of chaining starts again and continues till another compacted bed of coal is prepared. Once the secondary layer is prepared, subsequent layer of dumping is done. This is in turn compacted in the same manner. While all these processes are undertaken, it is ensured that adequate mist and water is provided during the process, and the surface thus prepared is properly compacted. The chaining process is also carried at the slopes and edges of the stockpile for proper formation of the slope as well as cutting off the supply of air from the bulk of the stock. At the end of these carefully supervised processes, a beautiful dome-shaped coal stock is prepared to ensure that there is no ingress of air inside the stockpile and heating of the stockpile is minimized. This eliminates the possibility of spontaneous combustion of coal. The formation of the slope is aligned with the direction of the wind. For this, the windrows diagram is referred to before preparing the stockpile. Once the coal demand builds up again, evacuation of the coal is undertaken. This is yet again a mechanical process of loading and transportation of coal. During the process of evacuation, it is ensured that there is no generation of dust and the impending edges of the stock are lowered in temperature by using mist cannons. The coal thus loaded from the stockpile is transported to the railway sidings using tippers. There is temporary buildup of stock nearby railway sidings. Even there, the temperature and control of dust is done using a fog cannon. In the beginning of financial year 2021-22, MCL had an opening coal stock of around 23 million tons, which currently in the month of October 2021 stands at 13.27 million tons. MCL has been successful in managing this huge volume of coal stock at our mine heads without any incident of fire due to spontaneous heating. Glimpse of coal stock at Mahanadi Coalfields Limited, Bhubaneswari OCP, Bhubaneswari area. Hingula OCP, Hingula area. Balram OCP, Hingula area. Thank you for watching the video.